Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is February 5th, 2025, and we are analyzing the GBPUSD pair. Recent news indicates easing U.S. trade tensions and a weaker U.S. dollar, which has contributed to GBPUSD's recent rise. Let's examine how that's reflected in the chart data. Looking at the daily chart, we can see an overall upward trend in GBPUSD over the past several weeks, with several notable price increases. We see higher highs and higher lows, indicative of a bullish momentum. However, we can observe some periods of consolidation and minor pullbacks, suggesting potential resistance levels. Let's delve into these instances to identify potential support and resistance zones. If we zoom in on the past few days, we can see the price action more clearly. This allows us to better determine whether the current uptrend can be sustained. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to see the intraday price fluctuations and momentum. Often the smaller timeframe charts will reveal a different pattern from the larger charts. The 1-hour chart shows some short-term volatility. Notice the price bounces between resistance and support levels. These short-term movements don't contradict the longer-term trend, however. Looking at the volume, we can gain further insights into the strength of the price movements on both the daily and hourly charts. High volume during uptrends tends to confirm the bullish sentiment. Let's look at a specific range on the 15-minute chart to see if we can better assess the short-term direction. The 15-minute chart reveals rapid fluctuations, but these shorter-term movements usually average out to form the trends we observe on larger timeframes. The combination of news and chart analysis suggests several key price levels to watch in the near future. The immediate support level is around 1.24, while resistance lies around 1.25. Breaking above 1.25 would strengthen the bullish outlook, indicating that the uptrend is likely to continue. However, if the price falls below 1.24, it could signal a potential reversal. In the short term, there's a 60% chance of GBPUSD trading above 1.25 within the next week, contingent upon continued easing of trade tensions and a weaker dollar. Conversely, a major negative news event could push the price below 1.24. In the long term, the overall market sentiment and the global economic conditions will play a much more significant role. For example, if the global economy continues to grow strongly, that will push up the price. It's important to monitor any upcoming economic indicators such as inflation data and central bank decisions, as these events could significantly influence the GBPUSD exchange rate and drive large movements. To recap, key price levels are 1.24 support and 1.25 resistance. A breach above 1.25 suggests a continuation of the uptrend, while a fall below 1.24 indicates potential bearish reversal. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always conduct your own research and manage your risk before making trading decisions.